Hello teacher and class, my presentation, let's go. My vacations in Lima. Hello, my name is Marco. Today I want to well your highlights about my last vacations. It was in Lima with my family. It was very special time because we all spent time together, sharing wondrous moments. One day we decided to go to the beach. The weather was perfect and we were all very happy. We relaxed, walking along the shores, and enjoyed the oceans. The beaches are part with being able to special times with my family. I love talking. Enjoy today. Doggers and boys I it was a short trip. It was very nice and remember infinitely. This is vacations that should make the numbers where you go. The most important thing is where you start. Those moments which thank you very much.